Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button for more. Actor Mbatha has been exposed by his girlfriend Snikiwe after she caught him in bed with another girl. For those who do not know who Snikiwe is, let me give you a background check. Snikiwe is a 25-year-old popular YouTuber and fashionista. She has over 300k followers on Instagram and more than 7.7 million views on YouTube. Snikiwe also comes from a family of famous people in the film industry. Her mother is a famous actress, Brenda Mhlongo, who is mostly known for her role in Generations The Legacy as Nandi Mabaso. While her father, Edmond Mhlongo, is the founder and artistic director of Kwamashi Community Advancement Projects and Ekaya Multi-Arts Center. An outraged Snikiwe has slammed Zamani across social media with video snippets and photos. Social media is sent into a frenzy following Snikiwe blasting her long-term boyfriend, Zamani, for cheating on her. While some people are just shocked about Zamani's cheating scandal, other trips are still in complete disbelief that Zamani and Snikiwe were ever an item. In a post that she posted on Instagram, Snikiwe wrote, "Damn, been dating a cheater this whole time?" The two have been dating for quite some time now, although they have managed to keep their relationship under wraps. However, every now and then Snikiwe would post Zama on her socials to solidify their relationship. Some tips think that this is not cheating, it's just a platonic sleepover. The identity of the lady in question is still unknown. Anyways, there you have it guys. Please do leave your comments in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more, and I will surely see you on my next upload.